It's cloudy out. So cloudy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I thought the last video would be the last video of for 2019, but it's not. I came out with this idea of Santa Claus because I saw multiple people in YouTube searching for how to draw Santa Claus. Let's do this, how to draw Santa Claus, mostly in a funky style, because I thought the traditional way of drawing, you can see so many sketches out there in the internet. I found this one, which is a much more cooler kind of a Santa Claus. I would love to know your comments. Please let me know in the comment section, and let's just watch the video, okay? This, I'll be using this one. Jump into video. So how do you like it? Let me know in the comment section. As I said, please like the video because likes are very important, as you all know now. Merry Christmas and a very happy new year 2020. Bye.